today we're going to talk about something very close to my heart, healing. Not just temporary relief, but true permanent healing. It's something that each and every one of us is capable of, and I want to share with you how I healed myself and how you can heal yourself too. You see, we all carry within us the power to restore and renew our bodies, minds, and spirits. Healing is not just about treating symptoms, it's about creating a state of wholeness and balance in your life. When I healed myself, I didn't rely on external sources or quick fixes. I focused on the energy within me, on the belief that my body knew exactly how to heal itself, and on the deep understanding that my thoughts and emotions had an enormous impact on my physical health. One of the first things I discovered on my journey to healing was the connection between our thoughts and our health. So many times we don't realize how deeply our negative beliefs, stress, and fear can affect our bodies. But the truth is, our thoughts create our reality, both on a mental and physical level. If we hold on to anger, resentment, or guilt, it can manifest as illness or disease. On the flip side, when we replace those thoughts with love, forgiveness, and gratitude, we create a powerful shift in our energy that promotes healing. I also learned the importance of self-love. When we don't love ourselves fully, we create barriers to healing. I know this from experience. I had to learn how to release old patterns, to forgive myself, and to accept myself just as I am. This was one of the most powerful steps in my healing process. By loving myself unconditionally, I opened up the flow of healing energy throughout my body. Affirmations played a significant role in my journey too. Repeating positive affirmations every day helped me change my thought patterns. It wasn't just about repeating words, it was about truly believing in those words and letting them sink deep into my subconscious mind. I would look at myself in the mirror and say, I am healthy, I am whole, I am filled with love and energy. Over time, these affirmations transform my self-perception and my body's ability to heal. I also had to release old, limiting beliefs. We all have them. Beliefs about what is possible, about what we can and can't do. But the truth is, our limitations are only in our minds. Once I let go of those beliefs and thought of the possibility of complete healing, my body responded. Healing is not just a physical process, it's a mental and emotional one as well. When we free ourselves from self-doubt and fear, we allow healing energy to flow freely. Another important lesson I learned is that healing is not always immediate. It can take time, but that doesn't mean it's not happening. Just like a plant that needs time to grow, your healing energy is always working in the background, even when you don't see immediate results. Trust the process and trust yourself. You are worthy of healing, and you have everything you need to make it happen. One of the most powerful tools for healing is gratitude. When I began to focus on what I was grateful for, I started to see my life, my health, and my body in a whole new light. Gratitude shifts your energy and aligns you with abundance. It's impossible to be sick and grateful at the same time. When you practice gratitude, you send a powerful message to your body that you are ready to heal, and the body responds. Visualization also played a crucial role in my healing. I would close my eyes and visualize my body as healthy and vibrant. I would see my cells renewing, my energy flowing freely, and my body functioning at its highest potential. This practice helped me align with the energy of perfect health and activate my body's healing abilities. In addition to these mental and emotional practices, I also learned the importance of nourishing my body with healthy food and taking care of it physically. The body needs fuel to heal, and when we provide it with the right nutrients, we give it the support it needs to function at its best. Eating nourishing foods, getting enough rest, and moving our bodies are all essential components of healing. But perhaps one of the most important aspects of healing is the power of belief. I firmly believe that we can heal ourselves, and I know that you can too. When you believe in your own ability to heal, you open the door to infinite possibilities. Your body is incredibly intelligent and it knows exactly what to do to restore itself to balance. Trust in that intelligence and allow yourself to heal. Healing is also about forgiveness. We must forgive ourselves and others in order to release the energy that is holding us back. When we hold on to anger, resentment, or guilt, we are blocking the flow of healing energy. Forgiveness is a powerful tool that clears away emotional baggage and opens the door for healing to take place. When our chakras are blocked or imbalanced, it can manifest as illness or emotional distress. But when they are open and flowing freely, they support our body's natural healing process. Each chakra corresponds to a specific part of the body and represents different aspects of life, such as love, communication, and personal power. By focusing on clearing and aligning these centers, we can allow healing energy to flow freely and restore balance to our bodies. Another crucial aspect of healing is the power of breath. The breath is a natural tool we all have that can help us reset, relax, and rejuvenate. Deep, mindful breathing brings oxygen to every cell in the body, and it helps release stress and tension. When we breathe deeply, we allow our bodies to relax, which in turn promotes healing. It's such a simple yet powerful practice that can have immediate effects on our physical and emotional health. By taking a few moments each day to focus on your breath, you can ground yourself and allow healing energy to flow. The process of healing also involves being gentle with yourself. So often we are hard on ourselves, pushing through pain or discomfort without truly listening to what our bodies are telling us. It's important to honor your body's signals and give yourself permission to rest. Rest is a form of self-love, and it's necessary for the body to restore itself. Healing doesn't happen in a rush. It happens in its own time. By giving yourself the space to rest and heal, you are showing your body that you trust it to do what it needs to do. When we talk about healing, it's not just about getting rid of symptoms or problems. It's about making space for something new. The energy of healing is always present, waiting for you to tap into it. But in order to receive it, you have to be open to it. Being open to healing means letting go of old patterns, negative beliefs, and anything that no longer serves you. This might mean forgiving yourself or others, or releasing old emotional wounds that have been carried for years. When you let go of these heavy energies, you create room for healing to enter. Another factor in healing is surrounding yourself with positive influences. If we are constantly surrounded by negativity or stress, it can block our healing process. But when we create an environment of positivity, love, and support, we are able to receive healing on a deeper level. This could mean spending time with people who lift you up, being in nature, or simply engaging in activities that make you feel good. As you begin on your own healing journey, note that it is a process. It is not something that happens overnight. But with patience, persistence, and faith, you will see results. Trust in the power of your own body, in the healing energy that flows through you, and in the belief that you are worthy of vibrant health. The healing process can be simple, but it requires commitment. You have to be willing to change your thoughts, beliefs, and habits in order to experience lasting change. The good news is you don't have to do it alone. You have the support of the universe, and you have the power within yourself to heal. You are worthy of healing. Your body has the power to heal itself. And when you believe in that power, you unlock the energy needed to restore balance and vitality. Healing is not just about fixing what's wrong, it's about creating a state of wholeness, love, and energy that radiates throughout your entire being.